What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to print t-shirts with inkjet transfer papers and an iron. Thinking about purchasing a heat press or something like that, because I got heaps of designs that I've done for Amazon, so thinking about printing them myself. But yeah, I just kind of want to play around with it first and see how it all works. So yeah, this is my first attempt at trying to do it, so we'll see how it goes. So I've got my heat transfer papers here for inkjet printers. Bought them online, cost about $2.50 each, New Zealand dollars. So they're not cheap. But yeah, so what they are, these are also for light t-shirts too. You can get ones for dark t-shirts, and I believe that you can peel like the backing off and then you stick it to the t-shirt and do the heat press or iron it on. So yeah, I'll probably go and put that in the inkjet printer now before we print it. So that's set up. Just installed this printer too. So I've got my design here. I use paint.net, and what I've done is I've flipped it horizontally, I think. Yeah, horizontal. Where is it? Flipped horizontal, yeah. Just because it's supposed to be mirrored, because then when it prints onto the paper, because you place it face down onto the t-shirt, so when it prints, it is obviously going to be flipped the opposite way. So yeah, people say to do that when you print it, but I couldn't find that option on this program, so I just flipped it beforehand. So yeah, next step is going to be to print it, and I select this, I deselect this fit picture to frame. It's A4, so I've selected the paper size as A4. Probably want to do high. Epsom matte. I'm guessing that's the right one. Doesn't seem like it was gloss or anything like that. Printer properties. Borderless, I think will be the best one. Landscape. What would portrait look like? That's probably the right way, eh? Portrait. Or would it not make a difference? Yeah, no, portrait. That's straight up and down. So portrait, matte, high quality. I think that's it, ready to go, so we'll go print. Hope for the best. What's going on? This is very slow, I suppose because it's best quality. Ooh, sweet. I'm pretty happy with that. Full page paper. So we'll carry on with the next step. Alright, so just trying to figure out where it's going to look best, which is probably something you want to do first before you put it on to print. So I think it looks best up top, just a bit down from the whatever it's called, the collar or something, I don't know. About there probably, I think will be sweet. Don't really want to go too far down. We probably don't want to be too high either. So yeah, I don't know if there's any way to really test out to, you know, line it up perfectly or not. Don't really want it to be on one side more than the other too. I'm going to flatten it out as much as possible too. Got my handy dandy iron here too. Don't really know how to use the thing, but I guess I'll figure it out. This thing doesn't really have a temperature gauge. Probably going to want to look up when you buy your transfers. It should say, person you're buying them off should say like the temperature. Mine 180 degrees. Obviously with a heat press you can probably you know, select the correct temperature, but with this, no, I can't. But yeah, with this iron I can't really do that, so I think it probably is about 180 degrees. So it says 30 seconds too, but I think I'll do it a bit longer with the iron, probably like a minute or so, I guess. Also going to put a sheet down underneath just to protect the bench, I suppose. Yeah, see, that works. That's why you mirror it. That's why you mirror the image beforehand. You can see now how it's going to print on. Don't know if you can see actually. Oh, see, there's the IVE there, spent.